Welcome, I'm Santo. Today we are going to learn how to make money in agribusiness. Let's define the following. Agriculture, growing of crops and keeping of animals, birds. Business in agriculture, that's making money from sales of agricultural products. Before harvesting, a farmer should take care of the crop, providing all requirements, i.e. land for growing crops, fertilizer of the plant, acquiring nutrients. Most fruits and vegetables usually take short time to reach harvesting. The most advantageous aspect is very low cost of production, thus making many youth to join this profitable venture. Before starting, you must have done research on farming you want to start. Ensure there is market for your products. You can visit the local market to be sure. Let's look at this. A chicken farmer buys 5 hens. Each hen lays 15 eggs. On hatching, he has a total of 75 birds. If he bought these 5 hens, each at $5 or Kenya shillings 500, he used a total of $25 or 2,500 Kenya shillings. If he sells these 75 birds in total, he'll get $375 and a total of 37,500 Kenya shillings. So now that's a huge profit. If you check out, that's a huge profit. Then agricultural products are on a high demand for food security purposes. This makes this venture the leading in profit making. There's much content in agribusiness in this particular channel. So be sure to subscribe, like, share, not to miss out on any particular content whenever we release. Bye bye.